Hello, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to Paradise. I'm Ismat. Divine Feminine, your job on earth is to transform the negative energy to its divine standing. So when you feel like that your divine masculine is not being trustworthy, not being loyal, and then he's taking advantage of you, and all these negative feelings that you are feeling toward him, these negative feelings are not purity. To be divine means that you are not going to allow any of the negativity to persist in you. Okay, so when your divine masculine is giving you situations where you feel frustrated, angry, upset, that is when you are being negative. When you are reacting this way, you are being negative, then you are not purifying or cleansing this energy to its divine standing. So your reactions, these negative reactions, cannot exist anymore. Okay, so I know it's going to be very difficult, but that's what is your job, is to whatever is being presented to you by your divine masculine, no matter how difficult they are, how negative they are, your job is not to react to them in a negative way, but to accept them as they come. To accept someone's negativities does not mean that you allow those negativities to continue to be in your life. Rather, you accept that you are not in control of changing anyone and make peace with that fact. And keep in mind that anytime you feel the urge to change a situation or a person, is actually your soul is urging you to cleanse that negativity in yourself. And that cleansing can come in a form of either acceptance, letting go of control, attachments, expectations, and many other negativities we hold without even being aware of their presence in us. When you feel like your divine masculine is being disloyal, not trustworthy, right? Not passionate and not caring, all these things are a reflection of you. So you may say that, but that's not true, Ismat. I am very trustworthy, and I am very transparent to my divine masculine. I am very loyal to him. Well, what I mean when I say that you are not trustworthy, you are not loyal, means that you are not trustworthy and loyal to your God self. Remember that you are changing this negative energy. That means when you are feeling all the negative feelings, when your divine masculine is doing something that you don't like and you are reacting certain way, you are feeling negative, means you are not being with God. To be with God means you will always remain in joy, in happiness, and you will be peaceful and calm. You cannot be sad, angry, upset. None of this can exist in you anymore. When you are being negative or you are feeling negative, what you are doing is that you are being attracted to the negative energy. And remember, the negative energy is Satan. Also in religious texts is known as Satan. So Satan has this authority on earth, on human. But remember, we are not to be human anymore. We are to transform to our spiritual self and to take ourselves to our divine standing. That means when we are reacting any negative way, we are actually going with Satan. You are falling for Satan. Okay, I want you to keep that in mind, that you cannot go with Satan anymore, with the negative energy anymore. You need to be all pure and divine. That means you need to always stay that loyal to yourself. by not reacting negatively to any stimuli, anything that you see on the outside, anything at all, because your job is to deny this reality, because these are not your truth. Remember, we are here on earth, we are playing a role as a human, and these are all drama script that we are writing in heaven, and we are playing a role. Like when you see the people that are acting in movies, and they are acting, so are we are acting here on earth, but we don't know that we are acting. But since your job, you are a light worker, your job is to know that we are acting. Okay, your job is to know, and your job is to know the truth, and that's what you are doing. So keep in mind, next time you feel any negativity, I want you to just remind yourself that these are not the truth. You are staying true and loyal to yourself. And once you are being all that truthful to yourself, staying loyal to yourself, that is when you are being with God, and that is when your divine masculine, once you change, you are also changing him, because you are being that divine masculine in purity, and that is when you are attracting the other half of your soul to that purity that you are. Your persistent loyalty to positivity means you are loyal to your masculine energy. Once you are completely devoted and loyal to your masculine energy or God, without being off track, then your divine masculine on earth will also be loyal and be devoted to you in the same way. So that's all for today, and I will see you guys in my next video.